अथ श्री पृथ्वी वैकुंठ महापुराणम अर्थ बिकमिंग वैकुंठ नवमः स्कंदः पृथ्वी वैकुंठ संक्रमः नूतन युग प्रारंभः नूतने पृथिव्यां नूतन युगस्य आरंभः भवति तदनन्तरं प्रथम शताब्दः एकविंशतिशतकपर्यन्तं मनुष्यः जायते म्रियते च निरन्तरं शिक्षमाणः Ninth Skand, the beginning of a new era. A new era begins in a new earth. After that, from the 1st century to the 21st century, man is born and dies, constantly learning. अथ वैकुंठे सम्भूतः भगवान् लोकपालकः नूतनस्य युगस्याथ वृत्तान्तं वक्तुमुद्यतः. Then the Lord, the protector of the earthly people, came from Vaikuntha, born on earth in a human body, said, "Now I am about to explain the history of the new age and old era." शृणुतः पृथिवी पुत्राः कालस्य परमां गतिं यत्र नूतन संसारः क्रमशो अभिविकास्यते. O sons and daughters of the earth, listen to the supreme movement of time where a new world will gradually develop in the house orbit of the earth. यदा नवी धरा पूर्णां स्थितिं समधिगच्छति तदा नूतने युगस्य प्रारम्भः समजायते. When the new earth attains its full state, then the beginning of a new age is sprouted. प्रभाते अर्के उदेतीव तमसः क्षयकारकः तथा नूतने युगं लोके अज्ञानस्य विनाशकम्. The sun rises in the morning and dispels the darkness. Thus, a new age in this third orbit is the destroyer of old ignorance. ज्ञानदीपाः प्रज्वलन्ते हृदयेषु जनस्य वे सत्यबोधे समायुक्तः चेतनां संप्रवर्धते. The lamp of knowledge light in the hearts of some good men. The consciousness endowed with better truth and understanding are enlarged to much better than before. विज्ञानं धर्म संयुक्तं धर्मो विज्ञान संयुतः उभौ मिलित्वा लोकस्य विकासं साधयिष्यतः. Science is combined with dharma and dharma is combined with knowledge. Together they will contribute to the development of that world. न तत्र विरोध भावो न च कलह कारकम् ज्ञानं च करुणा चैव सहगामिन्यो भवेष्यतः. There is no sense of opposition and no cause for quarrel. Knowledge and compassion will go hand in hand. मानवा नूतनः सर्वे मातृभावे समन्विताः एकं कुलमिदं विश्वमिति बुद्धिं वहिष्यति. All new human beings are endowed with a motherly feeling. They will carry the intellect that this universe is one family. न जाति भेदो न द्वेषो न भाषा भेद कल्पना गुणेरेवे महत्त्वं स्यात् कर्मभिश्च विशेष्यते. No racial difference, no hatred, no imagination of language difference. Greatness is attained by virtue alone and is excelled by action. Narinam gauravam tatra balanam cha paripalanam वृद्धानां सत्कार भावः धर्मरूपेण वर्तते. There is respect for women and care for children. Showing hospitality to the elderly is in the form of righteousness, is dharma. पृथिवी मातरं सर्वे कृतज्ञः संप्रपूजयेते यस्याः प्रसादतः सर्वं जीवनं संभवेद्यः. All should worship one Mother Earth with gratitude, by whose grace all life here is possible. वनानि नन्दनवनवते हरितानि भविष्यति नद्यः स्वच्छजलोपेताः जीवनस्य महाश्रयः. The forests will be green like the gardens of Nandan. Rivers with clean water are a great respect to life-giver Mother. वायुः शुद्धः सुखस्पर्शे भूमि सुपीक संपदा जीवनं सर्वभूतानां हर्षवृद्धिकरं भवेत्. The air is clean and pleasant to the touch, and the land is fertile. Life should increase the joy in all beings. न केवलं मनुष्याणां सुखवृद्धिर्भविष्यति पशुपक्षे मृगाणां च कल्याणं संप्रवर्धते. It will not only increase the happiness of human beings, the welfare of animals, birds and animals increases. सर्वे जीवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया इत्येषां भावना नित्यं जनहृदये विराजते. May all live happily and may all be healthy. This feeling always shines in the hearts of the good people. शिक्षां न केवलम् अर्थाय न केवलं यशसे भवेत् चरित्र विकासे हेतुः लोके सेवार्थमेव च. Education should not only be for wealth and not only for fame or self-pleasure. It should be for development of character and also for the service of the people. विद्यायां विनयं प्राप्य विनयेन विवेकताम् विवेकेन परोपकारं मानवाः समुपाश्रयेते. Having attained humility by knowledge, discriminate by humility, good men should resort to helping others with discrimination. धनं साधने रूपेण लोकहिते प्रयोज्यते न तो लोभे विवृद्ध्यर्थम न च स्वार्थैककारकम्. Money is used as a means for the welfare of the people. It is not for the purpose of increasing greed nor for the sole purpose of selfishness. Yes. राज्येषु धर्मयुक्तानि शासनानि भविष्यति जनकल्याणे मुख्यानि न्यायमार्गप्रवर्तकाः. There will be righteous government in the kingdom. Yes, ji. They are the chief for the welfare of the people and promoters of the path of justice. यत्र सत्यं प्रधानं स्यात् तत्र श्रीर्नित्यवासिनी यत्र धर्मः प्रतिष्ठितः तत्र शान्तिः प्रजायते. Where truth is the chief, there is prosperity that dwells forever. Where righteousness is established, there arises peace, happiness, and bhakti. नूतनस्य युगस्यायं मूलमन्त्रः प्रकीर्तितः सत्यं सेवा दया मैत्रे पृथ्वी भक्तिरेत्यपि. This is the basis mantra of the new age: truth, service, mercy, friendship, and also devotion to the earth. यह पृथिव्याः हितं कुर्यात् स लोकस्य हितं करेत्. यह लोकस्य हितं कुर्यात् स मातुः प्रियभृत्यकः. He who does good to the earth will do good to the world. He who does good to the world is a dear servant of this mother earth. धर्मो न केवलं ग्रंथे न केवलं मठेषु च जीवने धार्यते यस्तो सधर्मः परमो मतः. Religion is not only in scriptures and not only in monasteries. That which is maintained in life is considered to be the supreme dharma, Mother Earth. अन्नदानं जलरक्षा वृक्षारोपणमेव च जीवदयां तथा सेवा धर्मयज्ञः प्रकीर्तितः. Donation of food, protection of water, and planting of trees, compassion for the living beings, and service and righteous sacrifice have been declared part of dharma. पृथ्वी भक्ति युक्तानां चेतसि प्रस्फुरे ध्रुवम् विश्वबन्धत्व भावोऽयं नूतनस्य युगस्य च. It will surely thrill in the minds of those endowed with devotion to the earth. And this is the feeling of being the friend of the world and the Mother Earth. विज्ञानिनो अपि धर्मज्ञः धर्मज्ञानश्च विज्ञानिनः एवं समन्वयः श्रेष्ठः सभ्यतां समलंकरोति. Even the scientists are knower of righteousness, and knowers of righteousness are scientists. Science is religion, and religion is science. Thus, the best harmony adorns civility. न भीतिः प्रकृतेः शक्तेः न च तस्याः विरोधिता मातृभावेन विज्ञानं प्रकृतिं सम्प्रपूजयते. There is no fear of power of nature nor opposition to it. One should worship wisdom and nature with the feeling of a mother. सूर्य चंद्रो तथा भूमिः शिक्षिका इव दृश्यते कालस्य पाठशालायां जगदेतते विद्यार्थीवते. The sun, moon, and earth seem to be teachers. This world is like a student in the school of time. यह कालस्य गतिं वेत्ति स दूरदर्शी प्रकीर्तितः भूतं भविष्यते वर्तमानं सम्यग् बोधयते बुधः. He who knows movement of time is said to be far-sighted. The wise man perfectly enlightens the past, the future, and the present. नूतनस्य युगस्यैव चिह्नमेतदुदाहृतं ज्ञानवृद्धिः करुणावृद्धिः शान्तिवृद्धिश्च सर्वतः. All good things are said to be a sign of a new era, including increase in knowledge, increase in compassion, and increase in peace everywhere. अल्पस्वार्थे परित्यागः महत् सेवा च जीवनम् इत्येषः धर्ममार्गस्य सारः समुपदेश्यते. A life of sacrificing little selfness and great service. This is the essence of the path of righteousness, paropakar. न कोपि परको लोके सर्वे बांधव एव हि एकेव जननी भूमिः सर्वेषां जीवनप्रदा. There is no stranger in this world, for all are relatives. The earth alone is the mother goddess who gives life to all. यथा शाखा पृथक् भूता वृक्षे मूले के संश्रयः तथा मानवे जातीनां मूलमेकं वसुंधरा. Just as the branches of a tree are separate and rely on a single root, similarly the earth is the one root of all human races. नूतनस्यां युगस्येषा विश्वशान्ते प्रतिष्ठिता यत्र भेदाः विलीयन्ते प्रेमणं सिन्धो निरन्तरम्. This is the foundation of world peace for the new era, new earth, where differences constantly dissolve in the ocean of love. कवयः गायन्ति नित्यं पृथिवी मातरं शुभां विज्ञानिनः प्रशंसन्ते तस्या अद्भुत योजनाम्. Poets always sing of the auspiciousness Mother Earth. Scientists praise her wonderful plans. बालाः शिक्षन्ति प्रेम्णेव वृक्षेषु जीवनं महत् नद्यां मातृस्वरूपं च पशुश्च भ्रातृभावनाम्. Children learn it is great to live in trees with love. He is like a mother in a river and feels like a brother to animals. ग्रहाणि धर्म मंदिराणि कर्मणा भविष्यति यत्र सेवा प्रधाना स्यात् न केवलं वचोमयम्. Houses and temples of religion will be built by action where service is paramount and do not merely words. नूतनस्य युगस्यायं वैशिष्ट्यं परिकीर्तितम् कर्म प्रधानता नित्यं न केवलं कल्पनामयी. This has been described as a feature of the new era on the new earth. The emphasis on action is always not merely imaginative karma. अतः सर्वे प्रायुरञ्जीरन् सत्कर्मसु निरन्तरम् भविष्यस्य महद्वारं तैरेव उद्घाट्यते ध्रुवम्. So all of them will use it in good deeds constantly. They will surely open a great door to the future for themselves. सत्येन रक्षते लोको धर्मेण च विवर्धते करुणया समायुक्तः प्रेम्णा च शोभते जनः. The world is protected by truth and prospered by righteousness. So people are beautiful with compassion and love. नूतनं भूमि संस्थायां जीवनं भवति मंगलम् यत्र सर्वे सहचराः मातृपुत्रा इव स्थिताः. Life in a new land organization is a marvel. All good people's companions will stand there like good sons of a mother. युग परिवर्तनस्यायं फले भागः प्रकीर्तितः ज्ञान प्रकाश संपन्नः लोकः शान्तिमवाप्नुयात्. This part of the fruit of the change of the age has been described. May the world endowed with the light of knowledge and attain peace. श्रुत्वेतते श्रोतृवर्गोऽपि हर्षपूर्णे मनः अभूते मातरं वसुधां स्मृत्वा प्रणेमुः भक्ति संयुतः. Even the audience was filled with joy when they heard this. Remembering Mother Earth, they bowed down to her with devotion and love. Vaikunthatmang punah praha mriduvani manoharam adyape dharma tattvasya saram vaktam samotsukah. The soul of Vaikuntha, she was on earth in a woman's body, spoke again in a soft and delightful voice. I am still eager to tell you the essence of the truth of righteousness or dharma. Dharmo dharayitum shaktah sarvabhutahite sthitah yatra sarvahitam nityam sadharma parikirtitah. Righteousness is Mother Earth and Dharma is able to hold and stand for the welfare of all beings. Where the welfare of all is always done, that Dharma is established. Dharayanti yato bhumihi sarvajivan nirantaram tasmat prithave mata vedharmarupeti kathyate. Because of the earth constantly sustains all living things, that is why she is said that Mother Earth is the form of dharma, righteousness. Satyam sanatano dharma prema rupa prakirtitah seva rupascha karuna rupo lokihita vahah. The true and eternal dharma is declared to be in the form of love. Good children of the mother are in the form of service and in the form of compassion and bring welfare to the world. Yatam dharmam samasritya jivanam nayate dhruvam tasya janme safalam syate loka kalyanakarinah. He who takes refuge in that dharma certainly leads a good life. May his birth be successful for the welfare of the 8 billion people of the world. Ityukta bhagwanatma srotram aswasya sadaram antimasya skandasya visayam samasuchayate. Having said this, the Supreme Personality of Godhead reassured the listeners with respect. She explained everything in this and the next last skanda. इति नवम परिच्छेदे नूतन युग प्रारंभः समाप्तः. अथ दशम परिच्छेदे सत्य सनातन धर्मः कथ्यते. Thus, the ninth skanda concluded the beginning of a new era. Then, in the 10th skanda, the true and eternal dharma is declared.